How to take a screenshot on your Mac. Discover the quickest, easiest ways to take a screenshot on your Mac using the following guide. If you enjoy the guide, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up on this video. On a Mac you can capture the entire screen, a window or just a portion of the screen. How to take a screenshot. Press and hold Shift plus Command plus 3. To take a screenshot, press and hold these three keys together, Shift, Command and 3. If you see a thumbnail in the corner of your screen, click it to edit the screenshot. Or wait for the screenshot to save to your desktop. How to capture a portion of the screen. Press and hold Shift plus Command plus 4. 1. Press and hold these three keys together, Shift, Command and 4. 2. Drag the crosshair to select the area of the screen to capture. To move the selection, press and hold spacebar while dragging. To cancel taking the screenshot, press the Escape key. How to capture a window OR menu. Press and hold Shift plus Command plus 4 plus spacebar. 1. Open the window or menu that you want to capture. 2. Press and hold these three keys together, Shift, Command, 4 and spacebar. The pointer changes to a camera icon. To cancel taking the screenshot, press the Escape key. Where to find your screenshots. By default, screenshots save to your desktop with the name, screenshot date at time.png. In macOS Mojave or later, you can change the default location of saved screenshots from the Options menu in the Screenshot app. You can also drag the thumbnail to a folder or document. We hope you enjoyed this video on how to take a screenshot on your Mac. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel and like the video.